Restoreth our soul. He leadeth us in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Hallelujah. Thou preparest a table for us in His presence of our enemies. Thou anointest our head with oil. Our cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life. The Lord